Inside of this Fortnite Creative video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between first person and third person, just like this. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. If you're an absolute beginner to Fortnite Creative, I have a link in the description that'll help you get to making your first maps. So to get this working, what we're going to need is a billboard, a switch, and a first person device. So let's go get these all from the content browser. First person device, a switch, and then we also need a billboard so that people know which mode they're in. So inside of here, we'll just type in first person, third person. Simple. Let's go and change the outline to thick. I just prefer this. Then we're going to add a switch, and inside of the switch's settings, let's just call this switch camera or something. But what we need to change inside of here is, well, for the way I've set it up, we're actually going to need to set it to initial state to on. So that means we'll just start in third person. Then we're going to need to change store state per player, turn this to on. Now we place down our first person camera device. Inside of here, we need to change add to players on start on off, because I want them to start in third person. Field of view, we change this if we want to be zoomed in loads or zoomed out loads. The higher the number, the more we're zoomed out. The lower the number, the more we're zoomed in. So inside of this camera, we're going to have add to player when switch. We called it switch. What did we call this actually? Let's open up this switch instead. I called it switch camera. Okay. So when turned on, we want to remove the camera. So on turned on, send event to first person device camera 2. Let's just, because I already did this tutorial before. We want to remove from player. And then on turned on, we want to add to player. So now this will put us between first person and third person. If you want to have this the opposite way, you just have to do it in reverse. So if this is helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe. Use creator code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. And like I said, if you're an absolute beginner, I have a link in the description just for you.